Kidda? Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal, मैं हूँ Rahim Pardesi. And before I start this vlog today, I just want to say to all the Muslims around the world, I hope you're having a lovely Ramadan, the month of love, the month of peace, the month of patience, the month of forgiveness, the month of love, the month of family. Okay guys, so let me give you a quick tour of the studio. Do check out Mr. J's work on Instagram. Give him a follow. Okay guys, so today I am in London visiting my very good friend over here, J Samuel, and we are going to watch some live cricket because the sun is absolutely shining. की देख रहे हैं अंदर और बड़े केले खा रहे हैं केले हार तक है शहजादा लगे तू हाय तेरी ऐनका हाय तेरे बूट की सोच रहे हैं यार केले खा भी ला हुण आउट हो गया आउट जा ओए कोई हाल नहीं तेरा की सिखाया सी मैं तेनू कमला जाना होवे ते मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं South Africa are 4 wickets down. Sorry, 5 wickets down. So South Africa are all out and they have made 191 runs. चलो जी सफाइयाँ करो Ramit. So I don't know if you guys remember Ramit from one of my videos. She featured in one of my Pardesi videos, and she's a very talented singer. And she's just had a track came out. So please do go check it out. It's called. The description is here. Talli ho gayi. पहुंच गया पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद So you are enjoying the match? My team. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Get jealous over me. 3D overseas. And you know where to find me. We're the dad behind me. Give it up. India.
When you're rocking that C-swag.
India. Lucky, okay, they got lucky. Back on the trains. Not looking forward. Let's go. होए होए लत्तां दी मत वज जांदी है घर जाके नसरीन नूं कहना लत्तां घुट दे मेरियां. Okay guys, that's me back at the studio and I'm so tired as you can see, but I've had such a nice day with my friends and I really enjoyed watching the match. Once again, congratulations to India for winning the match and let's see what Pakistan do. So come on Pakistan, make us proud. So until next time, take care, God bless, Saba Khair.